Hi everyone, Tony here. There is a lot of talk out there in the service universe about creating a hospitality culture, and I think that is a fantastic way to go forward. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about intentional hospitality. That starts by having the right team on the ground. Are you selecting, training, engaging the right team? Are you encouraging and empowering your team every day to start with yes, and to figure out how to get there? Are you rewarding and celebrating all of the great things your team are doing to reinforce that hospitality culture? And are you focusing on behaviors? That's a big one. Looking at what it means to serve well with great eye contact and creating inclusive and welcoming atmospheres where people tell people, hey, welcome, thanks for coming in, or we answer the phone well with enthusiasm and vigor, all of those things, right through how do we end a conversation and an interaction with a guest, create memorable moments, and say thank you and welcome them back again. Those are the kind of service moments that will continue to drive it home. But you can't create a hospitality culture overnight, and you certainly can't create it by printing up a pretty flyer and putting it on your bulletin board. That doesn't work either. It takes an intentional approach to delivering great experiences, hospitality, and great experiences for your team every day. If you can do that, you will find that you are one of those organizations everyone looks to and says, yes, they get it. Yes, I want to work there, and yes, I want to go back as a customer again and again. I'll talk to you soon.